In this tutorial, we will teach you how to apply date controls in data validation rules. First of all, select the entire column and move to the Data Tools section in the ribbon on top. From there, select the Data Validation option. Once the Data Validation window opens up, choose Date for the Allow option. Now enter the start date and the end date and click on the OK button to exit. Now let's enter a date in the Recover Date column, which lies within the range that we have set. Since the value is within the range, the data is entered and saved within the cell. Note that if you enter a date which exceeds the limit, Excel gives you an error and the value can't be entered. Open up the Data Validation button again and move over to the Input Message tab. Over here you can add a reminder so that the message is displayed every time you hover over the cell or column. What we did with date values here can also be done with time values as well. Go to the Data Validation window and this time select Time instead of Date for the Allow option. Enter the start time and the end time. We have entered 9 hours for the start time and 20 hours for the end time. What this means is that any time before 9 a.m. and any time after 8 p.m. can't be entered in the sheet. Press the OK button and try entering random values in the column. In column F, we have receiving dates. Let's suppose it takes at least 2 days for the goods to be shipped, so we want to enter a function which will only allow such values to be entered which are 2 days after the shipping date. The procedure is the same, however this time instead of choosing date or time, we will select Custom and then write in a formula. For that, type is equals to F1 is greater than E1 plus 2. Once done, click on the OK button. Now if you try to enter a date which is less than 2 days from the shipping date, it won't be entered.